In this video, we are going to be analysing NKLA, obviously one of the big meme stocks that have happened recently. But why it's really key now is, firstly, it has sold off very hard and we are basically down at its 52-week low. But also, we have now just seen their founder get convicted of fraud. So again, probably just another indication that this stock is really just overall trash. But if for any reason you do want to start buying it, what are the key technical levels that we're going to be paying attention to? And that's going to be 266, 132, 90 cents, and that is about it. But again, there's a reason stocks sell off this much. It's not because they're good investments and people want to buy them. It's because they're fundamentally weak companies and bad fundamentals, and fundamental news just keeps coming out. And the way the stock market moves is off the fundamentals. We don't move off technicals. Yes, you may be able to get good entries, and kind of get better entries, better exits using technicals, but really the overall driver of the market is always going to be down to the fundamentals. So if you're trading strictly off technicals, you're probably playing a losing game. But if there's a fundamental reason you think you should be buying this stock, then those are the key supports we'll be paying attention to. On the other hand, if we get, for any reason, some temporary bounces, because again, I would expect them to be temporary considering how weak this company is and how badly it's been managed recently, then we do have our closest two resistances at 385 and 425. Now, these are levels where they are statistical mean, so if you were looking to short this stock even lower, you're taking on definitely a bit of risk trading at these levels, because if you break through these statistical means, that's when they can really pop, and considering it's a meme stock, they can pop hard. So just do be taking some caution if you're shorting this stock to have kind of tight stops if you break through that 425, because if you break through it, confirm it, we could definitely see quite strong momentum to the upside, just considering how this stock operates. Now though, if we did continue up, and this is where if I was looking to short it, these are the levels I would start looking to short it at, and that would be $6, $6.40, $7.60, going on to $9, $9.35, and our final levels at $11.05, $11.50, and $14. So that is the main breakdown on NKLA. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.